So one of the things that we always look for when we're bringing on a new vendor is we try to assess their character. Right away we were impressed with Jason. I felt like I could trust him. He was very knowledgeable, much more than our previous group that we were working with.
We worked with John in Dayton. We just had these TV frames, these smart TV things that are behind us. They work within the parameters we ask them to, like be out by, because we have patients coming in. They take the time also to educate us how to work it, and again, if we need more education. So I appreciate that, and they're very patient with us.
I'd recommend them all day long. And I have actually to other business people and friends.
We just feel blessed beyond words because we've been there, done that, and we understand what it's like to try to get people here and to work with someone who will listen to you and then follow through. So we would recommend them on their character and just their efficiency too. We are really thankful to have somebody on call. Any one of our staff feel very confident when we call, we'll get answers. They don't waste our time and we don't waste theirs.
I don't have time to keep going back and reaching out to people and not hearing. And so the responsiveness is very, very good.